So once we put the order through and the customer says no, they don't want it anymore, we need to go and cancel that order because that will affect our allocations and stock history. So how we do that is, if the first thing we do is if we first of all, if you want to search for the pick and sheet number, if you don't have it, we will go to stock history, and we could put in a part number that was on that pick and sheet. So in this case it'd be FE1008. Again, you can type or you can search a magnifying glass. Just tab past that. Now you can see here this is our stock history. So you can see here the customer, it was BG1000. We ordered one. There is a pick and sheet. It was done by Stacey McCann on the 12th, and you'll know that was today is the 10th, so that's that pick and sheet you're looking for. So your pick and sheet number is 200 269.